Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here. Today we're going to try to do a little bake with me. This is a recipe I found online. It's a blueberry mint galette. I believe I'm saying that word right. But to me it just looks like a rustic pie in a way. So I'll show you how I make it and let you know how it tastes at the end. And I'll also link the description or link the recipe in the description for you. But let's get started on baking.
You've been running around in my head. I can't stop drinking about what comes next. Girl, I know you've been let down a couple times. Why don't you go ahead and give us a try? Let me through, yeah. Girl, I dare you to move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make some space next to your heart. Now to take it slower, slower. And I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me, it feels like miles in between. To take a chance, girl, I dare you. But move a little closer, closer. Some things are better left unsaid. Let's leave the past in the past, wherever it is. And you got walls built up like Jericho, and I kinda hope that you let it go. Nothing left to do, girl, I dare you to move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make some space next to your heart. Now to take it slower, slower. And I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me, it feels like miles in between. To take a chance, girl, I dare you. Move a little closer, closer. Move a little closer, closer. Not in a rush, can't get enough, baby, it's cool. We're doubling down, cause now you're daring me to. Move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make the space. Move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make some space next to your heart. Now to take it slower, slower. And I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me, it feels like miles in between. But take a chance, girl, I dare you. You've been running around in my head. I can't stop drinking about what comes next. Girl, I know you've been let down a couple times. Why don't you go ahead and give us a try? Let me through, yeah. Girl, I dare you to move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make some space next to your heart. Now to take it slower, slower. And I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me.
So that was the Blueberry Mint Galette. I tasted it. I will say that it was a little bit not quite as sweet as I was hoping. So I think I'd have to rework it where I add in some sugar somewhere or maybe more of the honey, just to make it a little bit sweeter, but it's looks fantastic and I like the size of it. It's like perfect for a small gathering. But if you do prefer things a little more on the sweeter side, I'd probably suggest that we add more honey or some sugar somewhere in there. But I hope you enjoyed getting to do this bake with me, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.